Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your dude, the rebel, the guy, such next level, King Sergeant, aka Level 92. Welcome you guys here to the first episode of season 5 of my KeeKlips. And I'm sorry guys didn't give you like a little thank you, whatever, a little goodbye, and saying thanks for watching season 4. But so we're here today at the Science Center for the third time recording. And today is a Star Wars event. As you can tell, there's a whole lot of Imperials and Jedis. So let's see what we can do right here. Let's find some friends and just walk around, okay? Check it. I see we got my boy Tommy G, Tommy Ricks.
Oh, hey!
What up, baby?
I'm checking out this
Finn!
film over here.
Finn, come here, dude. Oh, he got to go over there.
But he's a rebel.
I'm saying, I'm just an Imperial. Because like I said, this is the third time here. Now, the Star Wars one, oh my. Yeah, the Star Wars events, they are really, really packed. I did. Yeah, the Star Wars one are really, really packed. Like, so many events, so many floors. And I think over here, this is going to be like, oh, there it is, right there. You can see. Try to zoom in real quick. Oh, yeah, parade, planet. Oh, that's some planet. Okay, masquerade. All right. I'm looking at, doing some viewings real quick. Like I said, we got a whole lot of floors to go to. And I know downstairs, we see a whole lot more. Let's go check. Alright, so down here, we see some merch. I see my friend Alexa. Oh my god! Hi, Alexa. What up? How you doing? Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
That's my friend. Seeing all the glasses. Look at all these glasses here. Where's your Star Wars theme ones?
Down at the end.
Alright, start here real quick.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. Excuse me. Let's see what we got.
We were talking about you.
Oh, yeah? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
She knows you.
yeah, everyone knows me. It's so weird. Everyone knows Keenan. It's like, dude, no matter where I go, my name is always mentioned. It's crazy. Look at all these cups here. Look at all these. Oh, I like that one. That's beautiful. That's a lot of work. I get the Atwalker. Never forget. All these things.
We gotta go check out that cookie jar though.
Where?
We gotta start talking.
I love cookies. Where's the cookie jar? What we got here? All right.
It's a little dirty.
That's cool. I can see a good image. I like that. That's beautiful. Dude, if I ever get cookies, I'm putting them in this jar. And I like these. Oh, I like these lanterns. Look at these. I need lanterns. I need lanterns in my house, even though I have lamps. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the crew here. Hey, it's Ray. How you doing, Daddy? What up, Sarah?
How you doing?
How's it going, kids?
Just call her Kylo Ren.
Yeah. Okay, Kylo. And sorry, I had to. And here's the toy man group and all the merchandise here. Now I'm pretty sure you've seen the movie, yes.
Not the Last Jedi.
Ooh, ow! Are you seeing it tonight?
Probably, hopefully.
Okay, so I will too, because I had to get my ticket like late minute. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of day where you have to end your first episode. It's been pretty good, and I know it didn't really cover a lot, but just it had me get my first episode out and just doing some events. So I'm gonna end it here. Here's my boy Nate. If y'all don't know him, what you got on Instagram, baby?
Man, Google me. PokeNate 1999. I guarantee everything will come up. You could Google. It's called branding.
You already know. Yeah, so like I said, I want to thank everybody for watching the first episode, and the second episode will come soon. Look me up on Facebook, King Sergeant, and also other sites. Of course, Instagram, and Instagram and Twitter, Dude1192, and Snapchat, Dude1192. Until next time, stay tuned for episode 2. Stay awesome. Peace.